Hello, today we are going to use models to compare customary units of liquid volume. So liquid volume is where it is like in a cup or a jug or a glass. It's a liquid. And there is a story that is going to help you with this. So here is the story. There once was a Gallon kingdom who was ruled by 4 powerful queens. Each of these queens had 2 children, a prince and a princess. Now, the prince and princess had 2 cats each. These cats drank 8 ounces a day. Let me show you how this story will help you with liquid volume. There once was a Gallon kingdom who was ruled by 4 powerful queens. Each of these queens had a prince and a princess. Each prince and princess had a cat, 2 cats. And each cat drank 8 ounces a day. So here is how this relates to liquid volume. We have a gallon. That's the biggest unit in liquid volume for customary units. Then we have quarts, or Qs. That's the next thing. There are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. In each quart, there are 2 pints. So if we add the 2 pints up, we get 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. In each pint, there are 2 cups. So if we were to add those up, there's 2 cups in 1 pint, 4 cups in a quart. And if you do it for all of them, we have 4, 8, well, 4 more is 12, 4 more is 16. We have 16 cups in a gallon. And if you have a bigger pitcher, you could add 8 to every C. That means 8 fluid ounces per cup. So this is how the pitcher relates to liquid volume. We're going to use this pitcher to help us convert measurements. Here's the first thing we're going to take a look at. 2 quarts equals how many pints? Well, first thing I need to do is I need to find out which one is my smaller unit, quarts or pints. Well, pints is the smaller unit, quarts is larger. So we're going to turn that larger quart into smaller unit, pints. And in order to do that, we need to draw our pitcher. Well, it says quarts, that's the Q. I'm going to draw the pitcher for Q. I have 1 Q right there. And now I need to know how many pints or P's are in a Q. So a queen has a prince and a princess. That leaves 2. So I'm going to put 2 in the corner and circle it. Now, just like the last couple chapters where you take what you circled and you multiply it, 2 times 2 is 4. I can double check that by drawing a second quart or second Q and adding my pints, my P's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got that right. Here's the next question. 1 gallon equals how many cups? I'm going to help you draw the picture, and then I want you to solve it on your own. I'm going to erase this to give myself more room, and here we go. It says the larger unit is gallon, and I want the smaller unit of cups. So I have to draw everything. Well, here's my gallon. In my gallon, I have 4 Qs. In each of these, I have 2 P's. Please be drawing this with me. And each P gets our C, our cup. Now that I've gotten to my cup, I can figure it out. Go ahead and give it a try. All right, let's see how you did. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I can put 16 out here. Well, 16 times 1 is still 16. That was my answer. We have a new picture coming up, so let's erase this. I want you to take a look at this, see if you can draw the picture, and then solve it. Ready? 3 quarts equals how many cups? Give it a try. All right, let's see how you did. We have quarts and cups. I'm going to draw my quart first. Then from here, I'm going to add my pints and then my cups. Now that I have cups, I can count those up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. My answer is 12. If you want to double check, you can continue to draw out 3 of these queens. Oh, not 4, 3. Add in your cups and then add them all up. You still get 12. Let's see what the next one is. All right, at his lemonade stand, Ishmael had enough lemonade to mix to make 3 gallons, 2 quarts, 1 pint of lemonade. How many 1 cup servings of lemonade can he make? I want you to draw this picture using our gallons and our quarts and our cups and see if you can't solve it. All right, let's see how you did. I have 3 gallons. So if I do 3 gallons, I'm going to do 3 G's. 1, 2, 3. And if you drew these all out, you would have 4 C's for each of the Q's, and there's 4 Q's. We want to turn everything into a cup. So here's my picture for my gallons. I now need my quarts, so I'm going to draw my Q's. I have 2 of them. And I don't really need the pints in because I'm not finding how many pints there are, but that helps me remember that there are 2 in a Q so that I know how many C's go with each one. All right, and then my last one is the pints. Now I can count all those C's up. 4, 8, 12, 16. Well, 16 and 16 and 16. So I'm going to add those. And then I have 4, 8, and then I have 2. Once I add those all up, we get 6, 12, 18, 19, 20, 28, 3, 4, 5. I should have 58 cups. I hope the pictures helped you to solve this problem. Go ahead and take a moment and finish the quiz. Thank you.